Belgium, modernization of the cash register system. Fiscalization rules which must be implemented by all taxpayers who provide restaurant or catering services are not new in Belgium. However, authorities are working on modernization of the registered cash register system. This project is called GKS 2.0. Implementation shall be conducted in stages and is expected to be finished by 2028. According to GKS 2.0, a certified cash register system is any computerized system that can be used to record sales transactions in a B2C environment, regardless of its name or the technology used, that meets the technical requirements defined by law and for which authorities have issued a certificate. Another important component of a legally used system at the point of sale is a certified Fiscal Data Module, which also must be compliant with technical requirements set out in the respective law. Need to get or to remain compliant? Get in touch.